Hello, welcome everybody to a November 11th stream for Gift. It's Remembrance Day, bank holiday. Probably not gonna be a lot of moves, but we could plan for tomorrow and kind of gauge different ideas, especially with gold and the market as well. We'll get to that in a second here. Set everything up. Perfect. Oh, whoops. Second. There we go. Perfect. So what is today? Today's a bank holiday. Not gonna be a lot of moves. Maybe there's a couple, but nothing too crazy. It'll be closed for Veterans Day or Remembrance Day in Canada. Forex brokers are open. Stock markets and bank have slightly different schedules. Maybe I think it's gonna be half a day for those guys. But we could plan out for tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be, how do I edit the time here? I'll figure that out after. So it's going to be CPI, Fed Chair Powell speaks. This one's going to be big. Probably, this is going to move the market and make the, kind of be the catalyst for the direction of gold or even the market itself. So we'll see about that. Sorry, give me a second. All right, but it is a bank holiday. It's going to be choppy for most of the day. We can see the futures are trading right now. Yeah, I guess we'll have to wait and see for that too. I'll redo the drawings. Probably, excuse me, over the weekend. Hold up, give me a second again. It's kind of good. It's a bank holiday. Kind of take it easy for one day. Chill out, you know.
Hi, I'm Dr.
All right, now I'm good. I think I got it. Perfect. Yeah. All right. So let's plan this out. Let's go to the monthly. So let's go with 3/4 or the quarter. Here's a quarter chart, right? You see this strong trend up. Kind of this big sell off on this wick when it made new high. I still am anticipating for it to continue higher. Like, yeah, there's positive news for vaccines and whatnot. But there's still like election concerns, other concerns. You've tapped into this whole liquidity zone down here. We have it broken down into levels on the lower time frames. And you're up here on this higher end. So there's two options. If it breaks below here, that's a clean move downwards to like 1700s. Breaks above here, that's a clean move to like 2000. So it gives us an opportunity to go both ways, which is pretty nice. Here we see this big red candlestick, right? Usually after one big red, it's two big reds or another big red. You know, you see the sell-off back in March. It just kept going. Like, that was coronavirus concerns, but you do see that type of sell-off. I feel like these two are kind of just trap days, yesterday and today. because you hit this big support. It hasn't broken it, but once it breaks it, you're gonna hit to like 1812s. So we'll see. I think that'll come with the Fed Powell talking. It's kind of interesting too. You had this wedge that formed. It broke above, literally tapped up there, and then went all the way down. That was pretty interesting how that happened. The election week pushed gold, price of gold up, and then it just sold off right after. Overall, in like a longer time frame analysis, I do expect it to go up. But in the short term, just from the market structure and everything, we're in this big range right now. You can have that as a range. If it breaks towards either side, you're good. Could play the shorts. And I mean, if you do play the shorts, if it breaks below here, you're going to get a nice sell-off. But today, what happened today is a bank holiday. It's Remembrance Day. Nothing's really going to happen. Kind of just planning for the next move. Yeah, even on the 4 hour, we can see it kind of have this downwards trajectory. That was a big candlestick though on Monday. Harsh sell-offs. That's the type where you just press the attack and just attack it. The dollar is going up though. Yeah, the dollar index is pumping. It's in a range too. It's kind of consolidation, but as of right now, it's kind of moving up. The US 30, probably not going to see a lot of moves on that or the 100 or the 500 today. Half day, bank holiday. Euro USD. That was a nice move during London session. Now during North American session, you can see it broke below here. 5 o'clock had to push up. 6 o'clock's moving down. Yeah, that just opened lower. Honestly, better just to chill out today, relax, take it easy. Nothing much really, so. I just watch it. Probably update all my fantasy teams, to be honest. Felt nice this morning, went for a 5 a.m. run. Not 5:30. Gotta get better at the 5 a.m. Cardio ain't there, but I'll get there. Excuse me. Choked on some tea. But yeah, we'll see what happens here. Just gonna watch it. Maybe I'll do some simulations on the stream. Simulate this day. See what happens. So you can look at the replay. Play. Look at this. Going up, going up, going up, going up. Bam. I love this feature on TradingView. You can see, you could actually like simulate different days, kind of practice strategies, whatnot. Just, yeah. You can see after this big drop, it's been kind of choppy. No real big moves. I mean, yesterday was a nice, yeah, right here. Nice little up move on gold, followed by sell off, but yeah. We can see a 40 pips is consistent here. So. Honestly, we could probably see a push up to like mid 1870s. I'm not gonna take the trade, but we're probably gonna see that push up for sure. Slow day. It's gonna be rangy. Not much to do really. Wonder what's gonna happen with elections. Trump is not conceding, going to court. Definitely taking an L there though. I'm gonna tell you that much. Yeah, slow day. Let's check out some news. What's going on with Trump? So we'll put this up too. No, Trump can't win. This election is over. Trump can't win. Pompeo assures smooth transition to Trump's second Trump presidency. Man, they're out to lunch. Oh shit, let's check this. Laura Ingraham, the racist. Her take on Drew Brees and LeBron James is just so retarded. That's how you know you have a double standard.
America last. That's the focus of tonight's angle. Biden says America last. That's the focus of tonight's angle.
What's this?
70% of Republicans feel like the presidential election was neither free nor fair, according to a new Morning Consult political poll. Now, of that group, 78% believe mass mail-in voting led to widespread fraud. 72% of that group think the ballots were tampered with. But nevertheless, Biden is pretending that the election has been certified and that all legal challenges have been resolved. He isn't committed to addressing voting irregularities or restoring faith in our elections, but he is committed to restoring the world's faith in America as essentially a blank check.
I'm letting them know that America's back. We're going to be back in the game. It's not American alone. Number one, I've had the opportunity to speak with now 6 world leaders. The reception and welcome we've gotten around the world from our allies and our friends has been real. So I feel confident that.
When he says we're back, first of all, has he seen the economic numbers? Well, he means that he'll continue the ignoble tradition of subverting U.S. sovereignty by selling out American workers to a world order where key decisions are made overseas with little to no accountability to the U.S. Citizens here. Now, the Obama gang is back, that's for sure. Samantha Powers, Ben Rhodes, Susan Rice, and they intend to do whatever is necessary to reverse all the progress Trump's team made in holding NATO accountable for their military expenditures and China accountable for their anti-competitive trade practices. Here are the highlights of Biden's globalist shop of horrors. Buckle up. First, he will rejoin the Paris Climate Accord. It should be noted that the U.S. has led the world in CO2 emissions reductions since it exited the Paris Climate Accord under Trump. Biden's decision to rejoin the agreement would mean severe damage to the American economy. When Obama first joined Paris, he committed the U.S. to cut emissions 26 to 28% by 2025 as part of this, quote, accord. But Biden's promised to impose even more economically crippling climate policies. Meanwhile, China would continue to get sweetheart exemptions. In fact, the CCP spent the 4 years since it joined the accord building more than 300 coal plants around the world. Second, Biden would rejoin the World Health Organization. Now, after the fiasco with the WHO's work on the virus, Trump was right to put the relationship on ice. The New York Times, on the day before the election, even reported that as it praised Beijing, the WHO concealed concessions to China and may have sacrificed the best chance to unravel the virus's origins. It agreed not to examine China's early response or begin investigating the animal source. It could not even secure a visit to Wuhan. Yet Biden wants to put the U.S. taxpayers back on the hook for hundreds of millions of dollars to the WHO? Think about that. Third, he's going to re-enter the Iran deal. Now, the Iran deal was an absolute disaster, so of course Biden wants to re-enter it. It was supposed to prevent Iran from getting a nuclear weapon and improve our relationship with their terror-funding regime, but instead, it accomplished neither. The Iranians loved it, though, and why wouldn't they? We literally flew them planes loaded with cash, which they, in all likelihood, used to fund more terrorism. Fourth, Biden is also threatening to lift Trump's travel bans from jihadi hotspots around the world. So we'll not only send the mullahs more spending money, but we're going to let their agents into our cities? Biden should have called his foreign policy plan what it is. Blow up better. Fifth, allowing
I was
NATO
retarded.
to keep ripping us off.
That was stupid.
Now, are they now off the hook, or will Biden just refund all the member countries the $130 billion Trump got him to pony up?
I don't like her as the news
My
anchor.
friends, Europe loves
Journalist.
a compliant
She's
United
actually
States.
like
So, of
out to
course,
lunch
they
on
love
all this
Clinton
stuff.
and Obama. Except for Thatcher and John Paul II, Europe didn't like Reagan because he didn't take orders from them. They've pretty much hated every Republican president for what, the past 50 years or so? Brussels loves weak U.S. presidents because it means international pressure will work, even if it means a lower standard of living for average Americans as a result. The EU is already salivating over what a Biden presidency means for the WTO, too. French Trade Minister Franck Riester is already making bold requests of Biden. The AP reports that Riester had another request of Biden to approve the appointment of Nigeria's former finance minister as the WTO's next director general. We know that today the United States is blocking her nomination, even though there is a large consensus among all the other states. The WTO is paralyzed. We need to give its strength back, he said. Well, of course, China is ecstatic about this as well, knowing that under Biden, it will be able to run the table on trade with no roadblocks, weak oversight, and no tariffs. After all, Biden spent his entire political career kowtowing to Beijing.
A lot of people think that allowing China into the World Trade Organization, which he supported, extending most favored nation status to China, which you supported, allowed China to take advantage of the United States. You think in retrospect that you were naive about China?
No. Here's the thing. In the context of that, we want China to grow.
Well, Biden will be a weak president because he'll apologize for America. Our racism, our Second Amendment, our gas-guzzling vehicles, our violence. Is that what America thought it was getting by voting for him?
No, that's what you
Most
got with
probably
Trump.
Don't think much about foreign policy at all, which is unfortunate. In Trump, we have a president who will always, always put America's interests first, period. But Biden, like Obama before him, is embarrassed by the very idea of American exceptionalism. Remember, if you think America is systemically racist, how can America be exceptional? Answer, it can't. This lurch backward for America remains, it is just once again how important these Georgia Senate races are. We need the ability to hold hearings on all the globalist nonsense that they're going to be pulling, and where possible, threaten to gum up the funding of it. And just for the record, despite the president-elect backdrop and media shout-outs, the final state tallies are not yet in, and President Trump has yet to concede anything.
What do you say to the Americans that are anxious over the fact that President Trump has yet to concede and what that might mean for the country?
Well, I just think it's an embarrassment, quite frankly.
How do you expect to work with Republicans if they won't even acknowledge you as president-elect?
They will.
Not if the final votes don't go your way or if widespread voter fraud is established, which will take time. And Team Biden's presidential posturing and daily COVID briefings won't do anything to hasten that timeline. And that's the angle.
That was a retarded ass angle. No lie. I don't know why I watched that. That was annoying. I hate her. We will win. Yeah, right. Republicans don't lie. Andrew McCabe. Who's this fella? He's an American attorney who served at the FBI. Said that Trump is a threat to national security. Yeah, 100% makes sense. Yeah, no, fuck that. Man, they're all out to lunch. Anyways, here we have. That doesn't look too bad, actually. This could probably go up, to be honest. Just from looking at the choppiness. Even if you entered a long now and you just kind of held it for the day, there's like a high percent chance it would go up, but I'm not going to trade it. There's no point. I need to be more disciplined not to trade. What else is going on Twitter? You know, I never really used Twitter until we made Gift. Then after we made Gift, it's kind of interesting. Twitter is pretty cool. There's a lot of stuff on there. Even though our following isn't as big, it will get bigger. At least we secured everything. Watch some motivational videos as the markets don't do anything. Might as well. Chill out.
Before I share with you some what I do knows, I want to talk with you about what I don't know. All right, I have two older brothers. One was in high school in the early 1970s. And this was a time when a high school GED got you a job. All right, and the college degree was exemplary. My other brother, Pat, was in high school in the 80s. And by this time, the GED wasn't enough to guarantee employment. You needed a college degree. And if you got one, you had a pretty good chance of getting the kind of job that you wanted after you graduated. And me, I graduated high school in 1988, got my college degree in 1993. And that college degree in 93 did not mean as much. It was not a ticket, it was not a voucher, it was not a free pass go to anything. So I asked the question, what does your college degree mean? It means you got an education. It means you have more knowledge in a specific subject, vocation. It means you may have more expertise in what your degree is in. But what's it worth? In the job market, out there today. We know the market for college graduates is more competitive now than ever. Now, some of you already have a job lined up. You've got a path where today's job is going to become tomorrow's career. But for most of you, the future is probably still pretty fuzzy. And you don't have that job that directly reflects the degree you just got. Many of you don't even have a job at all. Think about it. You've just completed your scholastic educational curriculum in life, the one that you started when you were 5 years old in kindergarten up until now, and your future may not be any more clear than it was 5 years ago. You don't have the answers, and it's probably pretty damn scary. And I say that's okay, because that is how it is. This is the reality that many of you are facing. This is the world that we live in. The sooner that we become less impressed with our life, with our accomplishments, with our career, with whatever that prospect is in front of us, the sooner we become less impressed and more involved with that and these things, the sooner we get a whole lot better at doing it.
I see the 5 rules. Life not easy, unbelievably unbelievable is the stupidest.
Most from experience, some of them I heard in passing.
As
Many of
define
those
joy,
were
define
all of
success
them
for
I
yourself,
consider
don't
true.
leave crumbs.
Now, they
Not
may
bad.
be truths to me, but don't think that that makes them mine, because you cannot own a truth. So please think of these as signposts, approaches, paradigms that give some science. Number one, and this should come up on the Jumbotron. Life's not easy. Is it up there? Life is not easy. Unbelievable is the stupidest word in the dictionary.
I want to hear that.
What's up, business owners? So my name is Tanner Chister, and in just 22 months, I've gone from 0 to 8 figures. I'm going to tell you exactly why. So if you're watching this video, you probably already run ads. You might even already run ads on YouTube, and
Should never come out of our mouths. Think about it. To say, oh, wow, what an unbelievable play. It was an unbelievable book, an unbelievable film, an unbelievable act of courage. Really? It may be spectacular, it may be phenomenal, most excellent or outstanding, but unbelievable? Give others and yourself more credit. It just happened. You witnessed it. You just did it. Believe it. What about the other side of unbelievable? You know, that side when we humans underperform or act out of our best character. For instance, man flies a suicide jet into the World Trade Center. Millions die from diseases every day that we have cures for. Bob the Builder swears that he's going to have your house built by Thanksgiving, and you can't move in until Christmas the next year. Our best friends lie to us, and we lie to ourselves all the time. Unbelievable? I don't think so. Again, it just happens, and it happens every day. Nothing that we Homo sapien earthlings do is unbelievable. And if there's one thing you can depend on people being, it's people. So we shouldn't be surprised. We, us, are the trickiest mammals walking the planet. I'm not worried about the monkeys. I'm worried about you and me. Happiness is an emotional response to an outcome. If I win, I will be happy. If I don't, I won't. It's an if-then, cause and effect, quid pro quo standard that we cannot sustain because we immediately raise it every time we attain it. You see, happiness demands a certain outcome. It is result reliant. And I say if happiness is what you're after, then you're going to be let down frequently, and you're going to be unhappy much of your time. Joy, though. Joy is a different thing. It's something else. Joy is not a choice. It's not a response to some result. It's a constant. Joy is the feeling that we have from doing what we are fashioned to do, no matter the outcome. Now, personally, as an actor, I started enjoying my work and literally being more happy when I stopped trying to make the daily labor a means to a certain end. For example, I need this film to be a box office success. You know, I need my performance to be acknowledged. I need the respect of my peers. All those are reasonable aspirations, but the truth is, as soon as the work, the doing of the deed became the reward in itself for me, I got more box office, more accolades and respect than I ever had before. See, joy is always in process. It's under construction. It is in constant approach, alive and well in the doing of what we're fashioned to do and enjoying it. Number 4, define success for yourself. Now check this out. I'm in south of New Orleans a few years ago, and I went to a voodoo shop, and they had this wooden partition against the wall with these columns, and in these columns were all these vials of these magic potions, right? And the headings above each potion defining what they would give you were things like fertility, health, family, legal help, energy, forgiveness, money. Guess which column was empty? Money.
Somebody please tell me where else you're gonna have this much fucking fun?
Let's admit it. Money is king today. It's what makes the world go round. It is success. The more we have, the more successful we are, right? Now, I would argue that our cultural values have even been financialized. Humility is not in vogue anymore. It's too passive. It's a get rich quick on the internet, rich is 15 minutes of fame world that we live in, and we see it every day. But we all want to succeed, right? So the question that we got to ask ourselves is what success is to us? What success is to you? Is it more money? That's fine. I got nothing against money. Maybe it's a healthy family. Maybe it's a happy marriage. Maybe it's to help others, to be famous, to be spiritually sound, to leave the world a little bit better place than you found it. Continue to ask yourself that question.
Yeah, it's getting boring. Might put on a TED Talk.
We've all got two wolves in us, a good one and a bad one, and they both want to eat. The best I can tell, we just got to feed that good one a little more than the other one. Happiness is an emotional response to an outcome. If I win, I will be happy. If I don't, I won't. It's an if-then, cause and effect, quid pro quo standard that we cannot sustain because we immediately raise it every time we attain it. You see, happiness demands a certain outcome. It is result reliant. And I say if happiness is what you're after, then you're going to be let down frequently, and you're going to be unhappy much of your time. Joy, though, joy is a different thing. It's something else. Joy is not a choice. It's not a response to some result. It's a constant. Joy is the feeling that we have from doing what we are fashioned to do, no matter the outcome. Now, personally, as an actor, I started enjoying my work and literally being more happy when I stopped trying to make the daily labor a means to a certain end. For example, I need this film to be a box office success. You know, I need my performance to be acknowledged. I need the respect of my peers. All those are reasonable aspirations, but the truth is, as soon as the work, the daily making of the movie, the doing of the deed became the reward in itself for me, I got more box office, more accolades and respect than I ever had before. See, joy is always in process. It's under construction. It is in constant approach, alive and well in the doing of what we're fashioned to do and enjoying. The easiest way to dissect success is through gratitude.
Better one? So the Rock. Rock's pretty
for what is working.
pretty good.
Appreciating the simple things we sometimes take.
Mindset of that's 34 minutes. Goddamn. Wonder if there's a TED Talk.
Reciprocate.
Holy shit! Gold fucking tanked. What the hell? Yeah, I must have been paying more attention. Wow, that's crazy. On a bank holiday too? No way. Damn, I fucked up. There's always moves. Let me turn the music on again for a bit. Always be watching. Biggest lesson in life. Always be watching. What are the markets doing? 500. Nah, not doing shit. Probably wait for market to open for that. Slow day. Honestly, I might even wait for a reversal on this now, just because it's a bank holiday. Probably can get some sort of a reversal. Should have been smarter with this trade, to be honest. Yeah, when you look at this 4-hour forming, yeah, that was an easy short. 4 hour to at least here, maybe even to like 61 area. Yeah, whatever. It was a bank holiday. Didn't want to do much. I'll be right back. Yeah, that was a nice short. Not gonna lie. Got distracted by watching videos. It's all good. Ooh, damn. It is dropping near the end of the hour. Should have expected it. 5 o'clock, bearish. 6 o'clock opened. It went higher. And then it just started to crash. Just doing analysis on it. Just so I know for like how gold moves. Yeah, based off the hour with the red candlestick like this, the second one was going to happen. Even if it was a bank holiday, it was going to happen. It was going to test this lower area. Maybe even down here. I like after this drop, it literally tapped into that liquidity zone we got marked. These zones are actually pretty nice on gold. You need kind of like a range of a zone on it, and then go from there. Damn, 58. This thing keeps going. Probably hit like 55 by today. Maybe today was a down move. I feel like we're gonna get one more leg up before it pushes down. Maybe we got like 3-4 more hours of the bank holiday, and then we'll kind of see from there. It ain't a slow day by any means. I just missed it, but fuck, it is what it is, right? What can you do? It's a nice sell-off near the end of the 6 o'clock, last 30 minutes of the hour. Boom, boom, quick sells. What is this sell-off? Right at 6, crashed. Yeah, no, it was there for sure. Yeah. Oh wow, he broke the day's previous low. I don't know. I don't trust it. I still don't. It's tough to trust on a bank holiday. It's tough, but 2 red candlesticks, 6 o'clock finish, big sells. I think the dollar went up, didn't it? Yeah, kind of. Not really though. Everything else isn't really moving. Gold just sold off. Yo,
What up?
what's up, man? How you doing?
Nothing much. I was actually, it's funny. I was like, when I popped up Black Bull,
Mm-hmm.
Euro USD chart came on. I was like, oh, that looks nice. So then I just shorted.
Right
I'm
now?
outside right- Yeah, that was interesting.
It still does look nice. You have a red candle at 6. This one should break the lows, go like 10 pips. So there's like, it's pretty clear, man. I was talking about that short earlier too. It's a bank holiday. I feel like there's like I didn't really trade today at all. I was watching like videos and shit because I didn't think anything would happen. But gold ended up dropping fat. And Euro USD does look nice for that short too, especially if it breaks in the 7 o'clock.
Yeah.
So you entered a short, right? Before
Yeah, after short.
yeah, no 4 hour. You're gonna get that impulse sell down, and then probably it does whatever the fuck it wants.
Yeah. I mean, yeah. I went a very small position just because, I don't know.
Fair enough.
There wasn't a point.
Yeah, I went for a run this morning. I actually got up at like 5:15.
You went for a run?
Yeah.
Props.
The cold isn't bad. My cardio is just trash. I haven't done much. I haven't even played ball in like a few months.
Yeah.
Trife, bro. Trife life.
when are you even start balling?
No, you can't.
Actually, there's no point.
Yeah, there's no point, and you can't. Plus, I was reading an article. The super spreaders are like in gyms, restaurants, cafes, anywhere it's like close indoors with like a lot of, I guess, people compacted into an area, breathing heavy. That's when the big spreadings happen with COVID.
Huh. Interesting. Interesting. Yeah, it's all
Yep.
good.
We'll see. Let's watch Euro USD do its thing.
Yeah, I know in Euro it's called like a reverse.
Nah, man, it's gonna go your way. Do you have any plans today?
So you went for your run.
Yeah, what?
How long did you go for?
I did like 5 minute burst, like 5 minute run, and then like
Damn,
one.
you're doing burst in the winter? You crazy.
It's not bad. It actually woke me the fuck up. I was like,
No, I'm just worried about you slipping.
oh no, I'm all good. Well, no, not like that fast. Like 5 minute jog, and then like a 2.5 minute walk kind of thing.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Burst, like, damn, you're sprinting in winter.
No, not like that. Like if I not like fucking just 40-yard dash or anything.
Yeah. Do you do it with Simba?
Yeah, he was enjoying it. Obviously, he stays warm, and he got four legs to run on, which is nice in winter.
Yeah, that's dope. So then sorry, it was like a 5 minute
Jog.
run, and then it's 2.5 minute walk.
Something like that, 2 to 3 minute, maybe 4.
How long did you go for?
I went for like 20 minutes. I wanted to go for 30, but I was getting tired. It was the first time in a while. Can't push it too hard.
Well, yeah. No, I mean, the first one is the hardest, always.
Exactly, man. Exactly. Do you have any plans on Remembrance Day today?
I'm just gonna go pick up the girl and chill with her today.
Nice.
Yeah, but that's about it, man.
Pretty chilling. Can you drive with all that stuff?
Oh, I've already driven.
Oh, nice.
I've already driven.
And it's not too
Dude,
bad.
just about nighttime. I'm having a hard time fucking sleeping.
Yeah, but is it getting better? Or is it still like same as
the night before, yes, and then yesterday, like I woke up and like my eyes felt so dry at 5 in the morning.
Wow. It's
Just
the weather.
while I was asleep.
I think it's the weather too.
Yeah, and this fucking operation.
Operation plus dry weather is probably not even like good for that. So
yeah, maybe I should just have my eyes closed the whole time.
eyes closed.
Yeah.
Damn, I was gonna say me and Dave are gonna play some Dota later if you wanted to join in on Dota.
Yeah, I'm good, man.
You're good on that. Well, yeah, you're busy today, anyways.
I already deleted Steam.
Oh, you deleted Steam?
Yeah, I deleted Steam and stuff because, like, my exam's on November 30th.
Yeah.
It's just like at the beginning of this month, I'm like, yeah, I'm just gonna delete, have nothing.
Yeah, no, that's a better way to do it.
I'm at least done that exam because I need to pass this stupid exam.
Yeah,
because there's better. Yeah, you know, I was telling you, Russo shared, I think, his account about. So it's about these guys. They're called Hedgeye.
Yeah.
These guys are macro traders and stuff.
They're what traders?
And like he signed up for a subscription. So every morning they do something called the macro show.
Yeah.
And it just 30 minutes. They just talk about a bunch of stuff. But like yesterday, this was my first time watching it, right? And I was like, it was so intriguing, and like, there's a lot of stuff I didn't understand. Like they call it quad 1, quad 2, quad 3, quad 4, and each quad represents. I think quad 1 was fast growth, low inflation. Quad 2 is fast growth. I think this is GDP growth and slow inflation, and then quad 3 is slow GDP growth and high inflation and stuff like that, right? Then he says that when the markets, and it's not just the U.S. market, they I think do analysis on about 90% of the world's GDP, so different countries as well,
Yeah.
right? And then they're like, when the whole kind of markets enters these quads, right? You see certain kind of like so they trade by ETFs, right? So they'll short and long types of things. But yeah, they'll like, for example, if it's quad 1, like gold doesn't do very well, but then like bonds as well, and then like financials do well, like stuff like that, right? And this is the first time I learned what polymath means, and polymath is being able to explain many things. Where is it? Okay, yeah, a person of wide-ranging knowledge or learning. So
Okay.
basically, like, just because, like, I think his research team, what is it? They have like a guy. They have like I think 12 guys. So 3 people focus on policies, and then the other 9 guys like focus on like gaming, entertainment, and like gambling, I think.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
then there's like one for finance, and like so they're like really like sector focused in that sense. I don't know. It was very interesting. Like there's a lot to read, but I didn't understand.
But you said they have like 30-minute
I
videos
didn't
every
understand a
morning.
lot of the stuff he was talking about, but there's like
But they do
it's
analysis on
called
like a macro basis, eh?
yeah, and it just talks about because Russo thought it was gonna help, especially since I trade QQQ, and like all these guys basically like long and short ETFs.
Yeah.
And these ETFs are like the ones I talked about, like how those like macro factors of bonds, like treasury yields, gold, the financials, a bunch of that. And they're like talking like I think 2 days ago when the markets gapped up. I think it was, or was it gap down? No, I think when the markets went down. I think it was Monday, or was it Tuesday? No, it was Monday.
Yeah, it was Monday. Gapped up.
Yeah. No, it's usually long. Or maybe it's the day that actually. No, it was yesterday when the markets tanked a bit. I think he lost 47 basis points, which isn't much.
No,
right?
it's not that bad at
But
all.
he says, yeah, he hasn't had a 47 basis point loss in 3 months.
Wow.
But since they like, I think they deal with like institution money. That's a lot.
Yeah, no, that is 47
That's like
basis points.
0.5%, right?
Yeah, well, 0.5% on like $1 billion is going to be quite a bit. I don't know if it's a
Yeah,
billion,
it's still
but
quite a bit. Yeah.
yeah, it's still quite a bit. So,
Very
but
interesting.
but if it's the first time in 3 months, it's pretty consistent. Like if you have winners over 3 months and then you just have this one loss, it just shouldn't even be that big of a detriment to the account, anyways.
Yeah. I mean, I'm not gonna do their style of trading, but it's just really interesting. It's like mentally stimulating to listen to talk, and he's funny as hell.
Yeah, yeah, makes sense.
Yeah.
No, that's dope though. So that's like a subscription-based service. They have a macro thing every morning.
Yeah, and they have a bunch of stuff. Like apparently, some of their clients like they have data packages because their main thing is not like telling you what to buy and stuff like that. It's like their research.
Who are they? What are they called?
Hedge Eye.
Hedge Eye. Interesting. Market Insights, Hedge Eye TV, Hedge Eye Edge products. That's pretty sweet.
So like they like their clients are like most of them anyways are institutional, and then they have like a package I think for financial advisors and like
Damn, that's
educated, really
fat.
intelligent investors.
Yeah, yeah.
And then it's very interesting.
Russo got this subscription service. Holy shit.
Yeah, he did.
Which package?
I don't know. I just know that like I have access to macro. I haven't fully looked at
Macro.
everything. I don't think it's like the top tier. The
Uh-huh.
top tier is like 5-6 grand.
Yeah, it's 5 grand. That's fat per year.
Yeah.
Black Friday specials though, so platinum all access pass. Probably got that
Yeah,
one.
for $1,000.
2,000. The elite
Yeah,
pass is
2,000.
one. Oh, maybe it's the elite pass for 1,000. That would make more
Oh
sense.
yeah.
That's
Yeah, maybe
sick
that's what I
though.
saw.
Kind of gives you kind of different
It's just
perspective on the
interesting.
markets. Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
That's dope. Gives you like perspective on the markets too, on a more macro basis.
Yeah.
Probably holler at him later today. See what's up. And talk to him in a minute.
Yeah, hold on.
The Wayfair drop. Tesla.
Did it?
I wonder. Actually, I haven't looked.
Ah, 250.
Nah, nothing yet. Seems like it's gonna range today. Remembrance Day, Veterans Day, kind of holiday. Yeah, even gold
Yep.
did its thing. Does Hedgeye give perspective on the markets or like the indexes or anything like that?
I don't know if they do markets, for example. Well, they do talk about markets in the last macro show. Well, it's the only one I watched, anyways. They talk about like, oh yeah, it's like the biggest. I think the main topic was just the biggest dispersion
Mm-hmm.
between growth. Oh my god, I don't even remember at this point. It's so mind blowing because he spit so many facts.
Spits
Yeah.
fire.
Yeah, because like there's macro, like there's Hedgeye University, and I want to get through that. But before I get through that, there's also like on the macro show, they give you a tutorial, and on the tutorial there's something called the I think the macro playbook.
Yeah, yeah.
So I want to read through that. Then I want to read through all of I think Hedgeye University. So then I kind of like understand more what he's trying to say. Because it's hard to follow.
Yeah, I think you need like a pretty good knowledge base from what it sounds like. Well,
And good thing they educate you.
yeah, that's the best part, I think. Just like education in general. That's pretty dope, man. Probably ask him about Hedgeye. And I talk to him later.
Yeah, I'll
How's Euro going? Well, it's doing its thing. It's an annoying
What is
thing.
it doing? Yeah, I'm probably get stopped though. I don't really care though. Like I said, it's a very small position.
Yeah. What's been working is your
anything.
NASDAQ strategy though. Even last
Sorry,
week when
say
you
again?
what's been working was your NASDAQ strategy. Even last week when you were doing like when you were up like 3-4 to 1. That's pretty
Yeah.
solid.
Yeah, no, like Nasdaq's fun, man. Just to stay with Nasdaq, I think, for life, bro.
For life.
Just the US 100, baby.
Yeah, QQQ, get the derivatives and the actual index.
Yeah. I'm surprised oil's. He was talking about oil too. Is like, yeah, oil's been so oversold, and yeah, I can't believe oil's at 43.
I think it'll go up more. I think the price of oil is with Biden being elected. Me and Dylan had a conversation about it. He's like, if he cuts supply, what does that do? Like basic
You mean like
economics.
fracking?
Yeah, if he starts to kind of go away from fracking and even the supply of oil in the United States, they're a pretty big oil producer and refiner there.
They're the biggest exporters.
Yeah, exactly. What that's gonna make the price of oil go up. I don't know how much, but marginally maybe,
Hopefully,
or
a
like
60.
yeah, that's what I was thinking too. I feel like 60 is a good price for oil.
It's a good number for Alberta.
Yeah, I think that's what Alberta bases off of. So even if it goes to 60, I feel like that's gonna be pretty good. And I feel like if uh depending what happens with the results and the lawsuits, Biden will get elected. But
I don't even think the lawsuits are gonna go through, man.
no, I don't think so either, man. That's a lot of that's like fucking 150 million votes to be recounted. That's pretty fat, man.
Yeah, I mean they have 3 months. If they're gonna do it, they better do it now.
Yeah, exactly. But yeah, no, you're right. There's no way. Like what, 77 million votes for Biden, 72 for Trump. That's fat.
I think Trump's gonna say like, yeah, he's creating jobs by doing this.
He's creating what? Sorry,
Jobs.
gobs.
Yeah. Well, if you're recounting it again, all those people that are recounting are gonna get paid.
Yeah, they have to get paid. They have to get paid fat for sure. We'll see, but I feel like it's a positive effect on the price of oil if Biden's in.
Yeah.
Because think about when Trump was in, he just wanted to push supply of oil fucking through the roof.
He did.
Yep. And
He
yeah,
did.
even if you look
He
on the
played Saudis in their own game, which is
yeah,
funny.
he did. But yeah, even if you look at the weekly on oil, if this continues, you could probably hit like 50 or 60. Here, let me show it off of this. Right here, we're at like 42, but if it starts breaking above higher, like above 45, you got a clean move to 50. And then I think between 50 and 60 is pretty reasonable for oil.
Yeah.
I feel like that's like
I know.
standard.
It just oil's such a piss off sometimes because you just have so many self-interested parties,
Yeah, I
especially governments that like really mess up with the price.
feel like it's one of the most manipulated commodities there.
Yeah, 100.
See what happens with that though. Yeah, did you play GTA 5 like online world?
No,
Oh,
I've heard it's crazy,
yeah, I heard it's rowdy.
but no.
Uh,
Yeah, I think there's a lot of things you can do on GTA. Like it's pretty immersive multiplayer now.
yeah, there's a lot of shit you could do on there. I just saw a video on Instagram. That's what I was asking. I sent it to you.
And it's I think also too what is it? Freaking because a lot of it is like is it's almost like pay to play in a sense like you need points and stuff like that
On
to
GTA
buy
Online?
stuff. Yeah, online.
Yeah, it makes sense. I feel like pay to play is the way to go nowadays, anyways, man. Think about all the free games. Like even COD Warzone, it's free, but like everyone buys skins every week. Still pay to play. Fortnite was crazy. Oh, Throwbacks is on. What's up, Throwbacks? You doing? How's the market treating y'all? Well, it's a bank holiday, man. Chan is in a short. It's chilling. I missed the short on gold. I was watching videos and Twitter and shit, but yeah, it went down. Euro Chan's in on a short on Euro. Probably gonna get his 10 pips. Crypto bull run right now. Yeah, crypto's on a fat bull run. It's actually pretty nice.
Yo, love crypto.
Yeah, Ethereum's popping up, Bitcoin's popping up, but Ripple ain't popping up.
Yep.
What else is there? What the hell? Chainlink. That's a new one. That's up fat. Polkadot, Litecoin, ADA, Cardano. No way, Cardano. You're back up there.
How many cryptos are there now?
How many cryptos are there?
5,000. Huh?
7,650.
Too much.
Tron, Stellar. Wow, all these names, man. Alt season is about to begin. Which alternate coins do you have? Oh, yo, I got an email from Quadriga, trustee. I forgot to even like look at it. Let me look. Hold up. It's a notice, just a notice. Advise a motion has been sent to the Ontario court with various claims and the valuation of the claims. Shit, I wouldn't mind, man. Get my money back from it.
You're not gonna get your
I know I'm not gonna get it back.
It's gonna be like 5 cents on the dollar.
I think so, Matt. Whatever they can retrieve, like they retrieved what 20 million out of the 200 million or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's no way. There's no way. Ah,
It's
fuck
tough.
Yeah, it is tough. Oh, yo, I didn't tell you. So football Sunday. I don't really spend much anymore, so I went back to like betting, sports betting, for the past couple weeks. Sunday, I had a $20 12-team parlay and a 10-team or 8-team parlay and a 12-team parlay.
Nice.
And the 12-team kind of washed after like the morning games, but my 8-team, dude, I was so close. I put $20 on it for 5,400.
Oh.
And then Seattle lost. If Seattle won, I would have got it, but it was a tough
5,400, eh?
From $20, yeah.
So wait, do you pick the spread or you just say 8 teams that win?
I've been doing spread lately, and I've been doing pretty good on the spread. Like even tomorrow,
spreads make it harder.
Yeah, spreads make it harder, and I don't know what kind of algorithm these guys use, but like the total, the over under, and the spread is always so close. It's so like it's so stressful watching it sometimes. But like even this weekend, I'll probably try a few more. Get like a big parlay and a small parlay. Like get the 12-teamer. Like usually on the
12 teams, what, like $8,000?
That was for the 12-teamer. I think it was for like 40,000 for $20.
That's insane.
I know.
But you did spread. Okay, so what's the difference if you didn't do spread and you just chose what team won or how the team won?
Depends on the team, right? Like for For here, I'm trying to find 'em. Okay, so for Sunday night's game this week, it's Baltimore. Uh, Here, let me get it up here. So Baltimore, New England, right? But New England's been
Okay.
pretty bad this year considerably, and Baltimore is a pretty good team, right? But I think I'm pretty sure Baltimore is gonna win. So that'd be the money line. It's minus 330. That would be how much
Point
is it?
three.
Yeah, basically point three. So like if you put $10,
You get $3 back.
you get like 330 back, right? It says it
Yeah.
$3 down here. But if you go like spread and minus 7, which I do think they're gonna win by like a touchdown or more, $10 gets you $9 back, right?
Oh, okay. So you bet on all the games, or do you bet on the ones that you know?
For the big one, I'll bet for the ones that for the big one I bet on all the games. And then for the 8-teamer, I usually bet on what I know. So like for the 8-teamer this time, for example, I'll probably go like I don't know, maybe it'll be like 6 to 8, but yeah. But like for the 12-teamer, like yeah, I'd bet on all the games. Here I probably go Tennessee. -2 is a good spread because that's like less than a field goal. That's what I like. -3 is like break even. That's a tough one, but I probably do that one too. Like I do think Cleveland's gonna win against Houston,
Yo,
Tennessee's gonna win against Indianapolis, and all that stuff too. But like for Green Bay, Jacksonville, you see how it's like -13. That's fat, man. That's a fat
yo,
spread.
Packers are sick.
Yeah, they're sick for sure, and they
You
won
know
by
who's not sick?
who?
The Jets.
Yeah, the Jets suck. They're on bye week this week though, but they almost won last week. I'm happy I didn't play some Monday night bet because I was gonna do like New England spread and the under, but it ended up being like complete opposite. New York covered the spread and it was the over. I
Yeah.
didn't do that on Monday. I was just because I didn't like that game. But
Can you cancel like once you take these things and can you like um close your bet? Because I remember I did that before on Bet 365.
yeah, there's a cash out option. That's what I was doing for NBA playoffs. Cash out. Because like you know how NBA you could be up and
Yeah.
then they come back and it's kind of sketch. I did it one game. I remember it was like Houston Utah, and then Houston was up, and then Utah had the last shot. Bogdanovich hit like a fucking crazy three. I remember that game vividly. But yeah, no, for this one I probably go just like 12 teams or something. Like Green Bay -13 is pretty fat. But if it's like a 12 team with like big risk for like 10, $20, might as well. Here,
And you can
Philadelphia
choose how
Eagles.
much you want to put in, right?
Yeah, you could choose. Like here, I'll just make a random bet of who I think's gonna win out. Tampa Bay at -4.5 against Carolina. That's a good bet. Tampa Bay sick.
Yeah.
Yeah, Buffalo, Arizona. Buffalo's been playing good. Arizona's defense ain't good. So anything with a plus, I go there on the money line. Those are the underdogs. But anything where I think so, like Las Vegas against Denver, Vegas is a better team for sure. Yeah, LA, Miami. LA's actually they're both good, but Miami's defense is way better. Even Seahawks and LA Rams. Seahawks are underdogs, and Seahawks are pretty good, except their defense sucks. New Orleans, San Francisco. Something
Okay,
like
sorry.
that.
So what's the difference with? Okay, so the right side is basically where you clicked on for Seahawks. Is you're just to say they're gonna win.
Yeah, win out, but they're underdogs. Whenever you see plus, so
Yeah.
that's like plus 10.5 or something, right?
Yeah.
Or you would get like $10.05 or some shit like that for a $10 bet. But yeah, I get like this one fat 12-team parlay, put like $20. That would be the return.
Holy. Yo, have you thought about doing this where you have like essentially your core positions that you're like 95% sure?
Yeah, that's what I
And
kind
then
of did
like
last week with the 8-teamer because I got 7 out of 8, but the Seahawks lost. So I was like, I pretty much hit on everyone, and the Seahawks, I don't know what happened. They just choked. They were the better.
which is fine. Like, but
Yeah.
like so you have your core, and then like all the ones that you're not sure, you basically have two bets.
Interesting. Yeah, that
You
could
know, like
work
let's just say
too.
you're for sure 8 games and stuff, and then the other 4 games is kind of iffy.
So
So
like
then
I'm
instead of betting $20 on each one, why not just bet five?
it's a good
But then
point.
have different kind of like you know outcomes. Because $5, you're still what making how much? Yo, you said $20 was how much again? 6 grand?
For that bet I just had,
Yeah,
66, 68. So that would be just be like 50, 17 or something. 17,000 for a $5 bet.
yeah,
So yeah, no, that makes sense. And even if I split it up, because like right now I'm doing ones that I'm more for sure. Like Tennessee's winning by 2, Green Bay money line's pretty easy. Tampa Bay's winning by 5. Buffalo, I got them. These two I'm not sure of. Um, but that's where I go
for the ones you're
spreads,
not sure of, you just really need a permutation, don't you?
permutation, different like possibilities.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, that's a good point. Have different
What
possibilities.
is that calculator function? Where is my calculator? What's it called again? Oh, on the calculator function, it is what? NCR or MPR? But it's like 3 times 2 different ways. So
Yeah,
you'll have 6.
I think it's like NPR or something.
Yeah, so you'll essentially have 6.
I think I just gotta split it into categories, like the ones I'm 95% sure of, and then like
Yeah, that's your
80,
core.
and then like 80 or 70 to 80%, and then like 50-50. The 50-50 will go in that big parlay, and then the 70-80 will go in the medium parlay, and then the for sure ones will go in the small one, right? So it'd be like maybe a 5 game bet. Maybe it's gonna be like Tennessee, Green Bay, Tampa Bay. Like I'm pretty sure Buffalo's gonna win. They're on a good roll right now too. Seahawks, not sure about that. I feel like New Orleans is gonna win. Baltimore is gonna win by that. And then yeah, Minnesota. So even if I did something like that, I put like $5, 262. That's still pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, that's still a pretty good bet, and it's
Because
7
then you
teams.
have different variations and you could take 4 bets instead of just one.
That's a good point, and I could split it into like, yeah, that's a good point.
Or even like if you have a lot of permutations, and let's just say you want to bet $50 total, you just divide that by how many permutations you
Well,
have.
the other thing is I could do one with money line and one with spreads, right? Because like,
Oh
so
yeah, no, but spreads doesn't pay you the best, is it not?
yeah, but like you said, so yeah, I have that one big parlay, the 50% games are in there, and then the 70 to 80%, I have a permutation of that, and then I have two variables of the smaller bets. So like, I feel like Tennessee -2 is gonna be easy, but then this -13 is pretty big, so I just go 950, right?
Yeah.
Fuck it, something like that. Even not Tampa Bay's covering 5 points, pretty easy. And then here -9.5, that's pretty big for New Orleans, but they are the better
Yeah.
team. Baltimore -7, never really know, and Minnesota. So I have like one bet $5 at 980 for straight money line, be a $54 return. But then I
Nice.
could make it on the spread for some of these, like Baltimore, have a second bet where I just put spreads, kind of like that. And then that would be I forgot I had Buffalo in here, didn't I? Yeah, I did forget I had Buffalo, but kind of have it like $5 here. So then I have another $5 where I add a couple more games I'm more certain of. So kind of have, like you said, 4 bets instead of just having 2 big bets.
I mean, sorry. For me, I meant like, from that big bet you have, the ones that
Yeah,
you're not sure, just pick like, let's just say you're not sure about who's gonna win between New Orleans or the other team. I forgot who they're playing.
San
So then you
Francisco.
just pick the other guy because one of them
Oh,
has to win.
pick the other guy.
Yeah.
Kind of like hedge it out in a
Yeah.
sense. That's not a bad idea either.
Because well, I mean, the thing is though, is like if you only get paid 10 times the amount, then obviously if you're gonna go $5, you have 10 tries to get it right.
Yeah,
But then you're making basically like barely anything.
yeah, that's true, but at least you hedge in a sense.
Yeah.
Yeah,
At
that
least
makes
you're
sense.
gonna like. There's the for sure ones. If one of them goes under or is wrong, then it's just like
It ruins the
well,
whole bet.
yeah, the whole bet's gonna be wrong anyways, so it doesn't really matter.
No, that's
But
a
it's
good
typically
point.
not the cores that are wrong. It's
No,
the
no.
other one that's wrong.
It's usually like the ones that are like two very good teams and they could go either way, or even like random outliers like the Jets and
If that's the case, then you might as
Patriots.
well play spreads.
Yeah, but even with the Jets and Patriots on the spread, I think it was like -7 or something, but the Jets covered that pretty nicely. I didn't expect that to happen. I thought the Jets were just gonna get blown out. But yo, Euro's tanking it.
Wait, is it?
51.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, no, I'll try different combos I got today and tomorrow to figure some
I
strategy
was just
out.
wondering if you could do this NPR. No, perm.
Or split it into like $21
Yeah, you
bets.
do. You could have permutations. Returns of numbers of permutations for a given number of objects that can be selected. Perm. Okay, and then what's FX? What? Man. Permutation number chosen. That's interesting. Number 1, 2. That does not work. Huh, interesting. I'll have to search that up. Damn, markets, you are crazy.
The markets are crazy. Oh damn. Euro went to 45. What's your TP? Did it hit? Oh, what the
No, I
fuck?
actually don't even have TP. Yeah, I'll just leave it. Once it's 10 pips, then I'm just gonna let it run.
It's
Like I said, it looks like it's gonna go down. It's been going down for a while.
That's true. Yo, this is weird. The Nasdaq is up, but the Dow is down.
Nah, I mean yesterday was kind of the opposite.
Yeah, I guess.
Nasdaq was down, and then Dow and SPY were up.
That's weird.
Man.
Euro's going down. What was your price?
It wasn't that good. What is
55.
It's at 545.
545 down.
Yeah.
Oh, you'll get the 10 pips. Another 15-minute candle down. Then should be good.
I just want it to go 10 pips so I can break even it, and then I'm just gonna let it do its thing.
Fair enough.
Like I said, I'm in a position that doesn't really matter. I just want to do it for fun.
You saw it. You're like, looks good. Enter.
It looks good, but I don't really care because I haven't been trading Euro USD, and the moves happened was like kind of like at 5.
Yeah. So.
Oh man. Man, putting tape on my head is so annoying. Oh shit.
It's so inconvenient. It's like.
Yep. Okay, sorry, I'm not gonna go watch my do this. I'll be right back.
Might as well put Euro USD on. Watch this. Damn throwbacks. Where'd you go? Just disappeared. The Euro USD was nice. It looked good for the short. And even gold, I called that. It was gonna be like it was gonna be kind of rangy. But sell off and go up. Euro looks nice, man. I feel like you can get the impulse sell down, and then that'll be it. Hopefully.
Yeah. Word of the day is fidelity. Fidelity means loyalty.
Nice.
Did not know that actually.
Infidelity means disloyal.
There we go. Woo. Woo. Ooh, wow, what a rip, NASDAQ. You crazy.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Nasdaq fucking, it was their earnings. It's like, damn. One company in there must have been just shooting the fuck up. I wonder which company that is.
Amazon's up, Apple's up. Megatechs, mega caps.
Seems like it.
215, yeah, it's mega caps. Whatever, man. Triple Q. Let's go. How much did QQQ go up already? Let's see. Up $2.50. Okay, 10, 10, okay. Gonna measure it just to see right now. So $3.01. And here, how much did the futures move up? CFD 125.6. Both at 1 point. No. Not the same percentage. 42 points and 1 cent. That's cool. Cool to know about. Bruh. Just move my stop at the top of the 30-minute candlestick for Euro.
Nice.
That's
Nice.
about it.
Just chill, let it ride. Yeah, I'll be right back again.
Alright. Man, Bitcoin's definitely going back to 20K. Oh man, it's wild. photos. I'll be right back and make some coffee.
Yo. Yeah. He'll be right back too. Got the markets. Nasdaq going up. Yeah, I don't know. I think I'm just chilling today. I came with the mindset just to chill. It's a holiday, right? So classic bank holiday. Hmm.
Eh,
Yo.
I was just making coffee.
All
I
good.
opened a new bag of Verona
New bag of what?
Verona coffee.
Corona coffee?
Verona.
Oh, for what? They say Corona coffee. I was like, yeah.
Buddy. Just because I'm Chinese, eh? That's rude. That's rude. Let's see. Yeah, euro. That's crazy, man. Like yo, triple Q. Like, I'm not up that much, but it's like 4.5%.
Damn, wow. That's still pretty good.
So that's like 1% on QQ, which is nice. Like, I love drops.
Yeah.
Planeteer. Palantir Tech. Their earnings is tomorrow. This will be interesting. Oof. Is this the reversal? Yes. All right.
1 euro.
No,
What?
on the markets. Yeah, I'll risk it. Screw it. Probably gonna backfire on me, but I lied to you.
Reversal. Did you short it?
So at once 1175. 111,775.
Did you short it?
I longed it.
Oh, you longed it. Oh, okay, okay.
Because it's close to like the wick of the previous candle.
Yeah,
So I
yeah.
was just like, okay, we'll see.
Oh,
Because
okay, okay.
So I bought 2 units, so if it goes against me, I lose $20. But if it basically fills this up again and reverses, because right now I'm looking at the 10-minute.
Yeah, I got the 10-minute up. I was looking at the wick. So you're, oh, okay, I see. Breakout, that's kind of like retest and then push up. 7:57, 3 minutes to go.
We'll see though. This doesn't work all the time, but I mean, at least there's like there's a previous candlestick that I'm gonna refer to. Previous 10-minute candlestick. Let's see if it's gonna show. Or push down. One or the other, my friend. It'd be nice if this 5-minute candlestick turned green.
Just flips all the way up.
Yep. Come on, you're almost there. 10 more pips. Okay, I'm also gonna break even this trade now since I'm up 16 pips. That's the one thing I realized with simulating. I didn't break even too quick. I mean, I'm probably get hit out of this trade, but it already went my way by 16 pips.
Yeah, so you
So
bought
I get
it.
break even it, then I'll just re-enter in a bit.
Fair enough.
Because yeah, I was doing simulating yesterday, and like that's what like killed me.
When you didn't break even it.
Yeah.
Makes sense. Break even pretty much.
My way. As soon as it goes your way, more than 10 pips to break even it. Because the thing is, actually, main thing is if like let's just say a 5-minute went your way, break even it. Because yeah, let's do this better now. 5-minute. If the 5-minute candlestick goes your way, break even it. If you're going with the trend, for example. Nice. There we go.
Damn, that's fat. You up 20 pips?
25.
Nice.
Nice.
So that's $50 on the 2 lot.
60.
Ooh, shit, that's sick.
It is quick.
Oh yeah, you got that like at the bottom there.
Yeah.
15. 1 hour.
Come on, give me 40. Because once I'm at 40, I'm gonna punch one out, and then I'm just gonna let the other one run and go grab my coffee.
Yeah, put a break even, let it run.
Oh, it's alright, break even.
Oh yeah, but I mean,
break even. Yeah. Come on,
how many
7 more pips. Let's go.
27. You want it out at or 25?
I got 85, so yeah, I would need it.
25.
30? Yeah, 25. Okay, I'll just put 1 TP here at 17.
Shit.
Oh, 85. Come on. Let's go. Wow. Are you gonna do that to me? Maybe 40 pips was too much for it. Let's look at the 1-minute chart. Yeah. This 1 minute's and close bullish. Come comes and goes so quick, my friend. Yeah, close. Yeah, almost. Just stop me out.
Damn, that reversed. That's whack.
That's all good. That's part of it. Entering at wicks.
Part of the game.
Come on, flip bullish. The 1 minute. Let's go.
The 1 minute. Damn. Damn, the 1 minute.
The 1 minute. Push up. Push up. Close this 1 minute. 1 minute's gonna close. Yeah, green. Yeah. Woo. That was funny. It's gonna right here, take me out.
At least it's break even, man. That's what matters.
Yeah.
But unless this goes all the way green, let's go green. The 1 minute. Flip.
Flip.
20
Find some
seconds.
support. And that's the thing too. Sometimes you can't like wait for that 40 pips. Just punch out when it's close to it.
Yeah,
I think that's the thing about being nimble, because like when that closed that 1 minute, I don't even know why I'm looking at it, but when that 1 minute closed bullish or bearish, because when it trends, man, like if you look at the 1 minute, it's like what happened this morning.
Well, I saw it on, even the 10 minute, man, when you look at it, you have like over here as a level. So maybe even go like 5 pips below. Like what's 35 pips to 40 pips compared to like.
No, it's nothing.
Compared to like,
yeah, like
anxiety and stress.
I should have known, because like, if you look at the 1 minute right now, you see kind of.
Yeah, that wick. But that's tough. You got to be so quick.
Area.
Oh, that area, yeah.
That's just a nice steady green candlestick.
It's going up now, man. But yeah, no, that is true. That was just steady. What is that? From 60 to 800 or plus 30 steady green candlesticks up.
Yeah. So that's the thing. 15 minutes, come on, 10 minutes. Just give me 20. Yeah, I'm just greedy as hell. Yeah, I just closed one. Oh shoot, I closed the one.
Well, secure some profit.
Yeah, I got 1 for 1, essentially.
On a bank holiday, secure profit. Yeah, man.
And then, I think this one I'm just gonna see how far it's in the run.
Fair enough.
Because at least I got 1 for 1 for one of the units, and then if it breaks even, I'm gonna go grab my coffee. I'll bring it back.
Yeah. Was watching this. Oh, is it gonna hit 25? Is it gonna hit? 1 minute's just crazy. Did it hit 25? Oh no, that's so close. Oh, it hit 25. Wow. Actually got that little wake up there. Interesting. Oh yeah, 15 minute. 15 minute looks like it's gonna hit 30. $25. Yep.
Oh wow,
Yeah, that pushed up in the last like few
that's
minutes.
nice.
Still got that other lot. Let it run for a little bit.
Well, I'm gonna put 88. What's the 10-minute? 88. So I'm gonna change my stuff to 88, which on the 10-minute, 87. That's all good. Let's see how far this thing's gonna run. The one thing I should have done, I need to be more cognizant of that, is what, Kyle? Well, I'm drawing a blank, man. Is like, yeah, I should have been so greedy because that 35 pips, right? When I was up on both, right? If I took at least one position out, that would have been enough for not even about, let's not talk about the money, for example, but that would have been a free trade.
Yeah, basically. That would have been just free.
That'd be for my next free trade, essentially.
Yeah, your next trade would be you put one more trade in without any worries in a sense.
Yeah.
Still pretty good. I mean, it's if it breaks above, then you're gonna be good. But yeah, I think I'm gonna end the stream. I gotta get some stuff from Best Buy in like 9 when it opens. What time does Best Buy open?
I'm not sure. Probably 9 or 10. I think 10.
Oh shit, 11 a.m. What the fuck? Yeah, never mind.
What are you getting?
I'm getting speaker wire. I got some parts for the projector and everything.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna be installing all that today.
Nice.
Gonna do the project on my own. It'll be fun.
Yeah.
I'll let you know how it goes.
That's
We'll
dope.
see how that does. But yeah, man, fucking good trading. That was a good trade on Nasdaq.
Thank you. Now I'm gonna get stopped up for another one.
You still have your euro?
Yeah, I still have my euro. I kind of forgot about it.
Yeah, you just like left it there.
It's not as sexy.
No, it ain't. But yeah, thanks Throwbacks for dropping by. Thanks everybody else for tuning in.
Yeah. Cheers, Throwbacks. Hopefully your alts go up soon.
All right, have a good day.